Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. A comprehensive review of the HP Pavilion Laptop. This powerhouse device is not just about specs. It's a blend of style and performance. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Now, let's get started. First impressions matter. And the HP Pavilion Laptop doesn't disappoint. The sleek white design is not only eye-catching, but also exudes elegance. The 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen brings your visuals to life with vibrant colors and crisp details. Whether you're working or streaming content, this display sets the stage for an immersive experience. Under the hood, the HP Pavilion is a beast. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U. This laptop is built for speed and efficiency. With a whopping 64 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze. And the 1TB PCIe SSD ensures lightning-fast data access. Whether you're a professional, gamer, or content creator, this laptop can handle it all. Let's talk about the extras that make the HP Pavilion stand out. The integrated webcam ensures clear video calls. The Type-C port adds versatility. And the fingerprint reader adds an extra layer of security. The backlit keyboard enhances productivity, especially in low-light conditions. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, you're always connected at high speeds. The HP Pavilion comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. From the redesigned Start menu to enhanced productivity features, Windows 11 Pro complements the hardware, making every task smoother and more enjoyable. And there you have it. Folks, the HP Pavilion Laptop, a perfect blend of power and elegance. If you're as impressed as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tech reviews. And until next time, this is Realtecshop, signing off.